Now that you've drawn your labyrinth, what you need to do is think of a question you want to find the answer to. Then take your finger and, whilst keeping the question in mind, start going into your labyrinth and just slowly make your way round. So this is really a mindfulness exercise. You want to drink coffee or smoke a cigarette or have someone who comes in and says hello, or you want to keep your question in mind at all times as you're moving into the labyrinth. When you get to the center and you can't go any further, then you just think of your question and see what comes up for you. You can keep your finger there. Once you find the answer within yourself, then you can take a note of it, or what I would recommend you do is you just simply start moving out again, pondering the answer that your inner wisdom has given you to your question. You're taking that wisdom back out from your inside, bringing it out into the world, where you can grab a hold of it and take any action that you feel is appropriate according to that wisdom.